Hey everyone, Ryan here from Next Level Property Investing. I hope you're well. Today I want to talk about Paul McFadden's Your Property Jumpstart book. I picked this book up not long after the launch date. I'm always interested in what other people have got to say, and I'm always trying to, pick up that one golden nugget that just moves your business forward. So I give this a read, and there's lots of great stuff in here, especially if you're at the early stages of your property journey. Paul started his journey in the deal sourcing business, which is a tough game, but it's once you get going, you can see that a lot of money can be made from it, and it gives you that experience that you need to, go on viewings, get yourself out there, start talking with investors, and find investor money. Which ultimately helps your asset building in the future. A great book. It goes on all the strategies that you can go into. Obviously, I'm very much into buy, refurbish, refinance, and controlling strategies such as rent to rent and rent to SA. I think you can build a great business model by doing that, and you can piggyback off both strategies. So, I use my controlling strategies to fund my asset purchases. Paul started off in the deal sourcing game. He used his deal sourcing to build his money up, and that's another strategy that you can, deploy very well. They all kind of work in very similar ways. There's just tiny little tweaks that each one makes each strategy different. Understanding them all gives you a good foundation and allows you to then go on a viewing, and you can then decide how you want to then implement that strategy. Will it work as a controlling strategy? Is it possible to get some investor funds ready to actually buy that as a buy refurbish deal? Could we package that up and sell it on for a fee as a deal source deal? Is it worth a lease option or a delayed completion? By understanding all the strategies, you can really leverage your knowledge, and you can move quickly. When I discovered controlling strategies, I acquired a lot of property quickly, and I continue to use those same strategies over and over and over again to keep adding more and more stock into my portfolio, which ultimately creates more cash flow, which is what everyone's striving for in the property game. So if you haven't read it, get yourself over and buy his book. It's a good book. It's worth a read. If you want some free training, I'm going to give you inside access to my members area. It covers all the strategies in this book plus a bit more. All you got to do is click the link below, and it'll take you to a sign up link. Create your account, and you're inside my members area. There's over 80 hours worth of content in there covering all the strategies, including every single one in this book. And I'm sure you'll get some awesome tips to help you with your property journey. Can't wait to help you out. Click the link now and get your free access. 5 free days of training. All you got to do is click the link, create your account, and then you go and start watching. Any questions, give me a shout. Take care.